Today I'm working out of this book by Larry Teal called Daily Studies for the Improvement of Saxophone Technique. I like it a lot because it kind of really exposes my sound and my endurance, especially if I'm trying to slow these etudes down and try to get through like 2 pages without stopping. It's actually a lot harder than I would think. And there's one interesting thing in this book. If I go to the beginning, he has this little introduction where he talks a little bit about the exercise. He says, to the musician, technique means more than just speed. It also means accurate rhythm, even tempo, uniformity of time values, as well as consistency of tone color, correct intonation, and smooth tone connection. That's a lot of stuff to work on. And it's also really hot in here because I'm refusing to turn on my air conditioning. And I have all the windows open and it's like 90 degrees outside. But it was snowing like less than 6 weeks ago. There was like significant snow. And so I'm not giving into this heat yet. It's approximately 10 p.m. on Monday night and I'm home a little bit earlier than expected. There was a car accident at the location of my usual Monday night gig, and a car partially drove into the patio area and then crashed into the building where the gig normally takes place. Luckily, nobody was hurt, so it could have been a lot worse. So I went and got some drinks instead, and that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.
Because then you had to pour syrup. Well, we are gonna do mimosas. Yes.